This smartphone can record all the way to 8K 24 frames per second, but for the purpose of this video, 4K 30, because 4K 60 is not available for the wide angle lens. And we are in the wide angle lens. If you want to vlog from the wide angle, this is how it's going to look like. A vlogging style. Alright. And now, the main lens. And the telephoto. 1.3, 1.4, 2x. And 4x, that's the maximum. Oof. Electronic zoom. Alright, let's go back. Let's go back to the main lens. And if you want to vlog from the main lens, this is how it's going to look like. Alright, video stabilization. And of course, let's go back to the wide angle. Do we have autofocus in wide angle? No, there is no autofocus in wide angle lens, so there's no macro in wide angle lens. I can see it's all getting blurry. No macro. In the main lens, of course, we do have autofocus. And it is quick. Macro? Not really. You will have to go for a zoom 2x to have a beautiful macro experience. Oh yeah, maybe like on the leaves or something. Yeah, 2x and you will have a macro. Very nice. Alright. And in the front facing camera, my dear friend, it's only Full HD 30. It's not even 60. Like I said, this is a gaming smartphone, not a photo smartphone. But still, no autofocus in front facing camera. Ouch! But even if I go very close, it's still in focus, so it's okay, I guess. It's okay. Alright, full length of my arm, front facing camera. This is how it looks like, this is how it sounds like. Built-in microphones, and it has many microphones. I'm holding the camera with my hand. I hope I'm not blocking any microphones with the case. What else do we have in this smartphone? And we do have a slow motion all the way to 240 and 4K 120, time lapse with zoom and everything, video like you've seen. Of course, you cannot switch lenses front and back during the recording. Photo, how much zoom I'm going to have in photo? That's 30x. But if you take a photo like that, it will be a bit blurry. Portrait. Oh, from the wide angle and also leveling. Bam. Oh wow, that was quick. Wow. The portrait mode was very quick. It looks really nice. Okay, they catch a little bit of my head on the right, but that's okay. That's okay. It was very fast. I like how fast is this smartphone. What is this? Panorama, okay? Light show, but it's daylight, so. And more. We do have a pro video, if you wanted to. 4K 16, you can see. You cannot go to the wide angle in 4K 60. And pro photo. Alright, also you can shoot. In the pro video, there's also an adaptive stabilization. You can turn it off. How stable is that video now? Commonly when I see on the smartphone, and the smartphone looks very stable. Like there's like no difference. Well, there's a difference in crop. For example, see? Look where the trees are. Yeah. That is a significant difference. You can play around with a microphone. 3D. I'm not sure if it's going to work during the screen recording. Probably not. Wind noise reduction and HDR if you want it. For audio HDR, I'm not sure what that is. For video, I know what it is. High dynamic range. But for the audio, high dynamic range? Alright, maybe. Not sure if it's going to work during the screen recording, but that's one of the functions. Oh, alright. It's quick. It is quick. Selfie time. And my jacket got blurred a little bit and my face got out. It's not ideal. But let's continue. This is wide angle lens. You can see the coke is not in focus. In the wide angle, only the basically middle and the left is in focus. And the bottoms are out of focus. I don't know why those scans are so out of focus, but maybe a banana effect.
And in the color department, it is undersaturated. It's better to be undersaturated than oversaturated. The main lens is also undersaturated greatly. That's my yellow bike. That's a scooter. From the main lens, like I see the whole picture, it's sharp. That is great. Flowers. On a smartphone looks good, and no, it's no focus on the flower. And I wanted to have a beautiful, sharp image. That didn't come out great. Also looks much better on the smartphone than what I see on the PC now. Well, the frog looks happy. See, losing focus in the middle of the photo. Well, this one came out good. So it all depends on the light conditions. Very sharp from the main lens. I thought that drink will be in focus and the background will be out of focus, but it's the other way around, which is no. And zooming from the main lens, it's decent. And of course, Bitcoin. Conclusion? This is one of the kind gaming smartphone, not a camera smartphone, so the video-wise, it's very mediocre. For photo-wise, a bit better. If you're looking for the best video and photo experience, look somewhere else. This is a gaming smartphone. Thanks for watching.